Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel, and this is the I think second tutorial of the Fnaf scratch game. And in this tutorial we will make the main menu, and then on the other episodes we will make newspaper, office, camera systems, or whatever things. So first of all, you want to go back to stage backdrop and set it black, so that everyone doesn't see like white when they enter the game. So you want to create a sprite named warning. Set its position to 0, 0. This is important. If you don't, because let's say you put the text in here. Let me just test it. Let's say if you put the text in here and you want to do it 36 to 28, it will be in different position. But if you set it to 0, 0, it will always be in the position that you put. Now you want to change the text to warning, and then set the sans serif to serif, because this font is better in my opinion. You can use other fonts to do it. And now you wanna get a white text and then say this game contains flashing lights, epilepsy, jump scares. And down here you wanna say if use headphones for better or best experience. Okay. Now you wanna make a fading animation. The main flag is click. You wanna go to 0, 0, add a show, and then set the ghost effect to 100, and repeat 100 times. You wanna change the ghost effect by -10%, and then just duplicate it and add 1 second, and then just add this to 10. And when you see here, the warning shows up and then fades out after 1 second. You wanna repeat it to 25 and then increase the rate to 4 maybe. That could be better. Wait, that's too much long. Maybe 2.2 will be better. So let's see. Yep. Okay, you wanna save it now, and then what we're gonna do is the title. But first, in the code you wanna add a broadcast of main menu. So the game knows that after the fade ends, we will be sent to main menu. So we're gonna name this title, the sprite to title, and set its position to 0, 0. And in the costumes, you wanna add your game name. In my opinion, it's Five Nights at Bobby's. So you wanna make the text bigger, and it's too big. Position it like this. So for when flag is clicked, you wanna set its position to 0, 0 again, but instead of show, you wanna put height. And when it's main menu, you wanna set show. So now when we begin the game, the warning shows up when flag is clicked, and the game sends the broadcast main menu to the game, and you will see this text because the game sends the broadcast into here. You wanna clean up the blocks. Now you wanna add animatronic. Well, you can watch my tutorial, the first part, to how to model animatronic. Here's my animatronic. I'm gonna name this to animatronic and set its position to 0, 0 again, and paste your character in here and position it maybe like this. That could be good. The next important thing is you don't actually have to do this, but I'm gonna do it because it makes the game look cooler. You wanna add a shade like this, and then copy paste this, flip it, rotate decrease, like I don't know, just 45 decrease I think. So you're gonna grab these two again and then paste them in here. You also want to set up a Twitch animation for the character. So I'm gonna duplicate the costumes and then I'm gonna just make a basic Twitch animation like this. You wanna go in here forever, switch costume to 1 and wait about 1 second or 3 seconds. Switch costume to 2, wait 0.05 seconds and then switch costume to 3. And after that 0.05 seconds it will switch back to costume 1. So if we start that, there we go, you will see the character twitching animation. Yep, this actually pretty cool. Now, wait, oh, you didn't see all of that, wait. I'm sorry, I have to scroll it down here, okay. So, for the warning screen, yep, as you see. But the main menu comes too fast, so you're gonna have 1 second here. Now, yep. So yeah, see you all in the next video. In the next video, we will set up the static and new game buttons maybe. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.